So this review is not for the faint-hearted or for the faint-nosed. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, this is a different review on some different fragrances that I want to share with you. I personally went down to my friends at the Luxurious Perfumes and handpicked these three fragrances from French Avenue. They are in the same range for French Avenue, but I believe that only the one stands out a lot and has been spoken a lot about on social media. But the other two, in their own entity, is actually very special fragrances. And I want to share them with you and their notes. And I want you to see what effort went into making these final fragrances or scents that you spray out of the bottle when you smell them. So first of all, I will introduce you to Azure Oud. Now, this is not for everybody, but I must be honest with you, and I promise you, in its own entity, this is actually a beautiful fragrance when you spray it on skin or on a smelling paper, but not out of the nozzle, because everything that you smell out of the nozzle does not give full potential of what it can smell like. Now, this Azure Oud is a passion fruit rose fragrance, which comes down to oud, leather, and patchouli, and sandalwood. But at the end of the day, what this smells like is when you was younger, your mom used to use a pink hand lotion or a hand lotion from Dawn, I believe, and that smell that you smelled when you were small, when mom walked past you, is this smell that you get here. This is a beautiful hand cream lotion. Do not look into the oud or into the other notes. I will put up the notes and let it put you off, because in fact, this is in its own right one of the most beautiful fragrances that French Avenue has produced. And it smells beautiful. So this is Azure Oud. The next one, I hope I pronounce it correctly, is Cacao Merado. Now, Cacao Merado is a purple bottle, but guys, if you see the amount of notes that went into this bottle, it is just scary. Like I said, I'll put up the notes as well, but this has got cocoa, it's got cinnamon, it's got nutmeg, it's got vanilla. Guys, it's just everything that they could get put into one bottle, but in a specific way that it comes out to being a marvelous, marvelous fragrance. Now, immediately you smell a couple of things. You smell freshness, you smell fruity, you smell a bit of oud, you smell a bit of leather, but altogether, it's just one big vanilla, cinnamony, fruity, oudy, beautiful fragrance that gives you Cacao Merado. Now, Cacao Merado is also, in its own entity, beautiful. Actually, I must be honest with you, like I said to you as well, is don't smell from the nose. Spray on skin or on a smelling paper to get the full potential of what you can get out of this. I used to make the mistake and smell most of the fragrances that I'm not very into or it's new, just like this, because there's a lot I want to smell. But spraying this for the first time today actually surprised me, and I realized that this is a marvelous fragrance, and it's a beautiful fragrance. It's really, very, very nice. Now, number 3, you all have guessed it already by now, but this is one of the most popular French Avenue fragrances out there, and this is Liquid Brune. Now, of course, Liquid Brune, and we all know by now almost what it smells like, but this has taken the market by storm, and for full right, because this is a beautiful fragrance which has got cinnamon, bergamot, vanilla, patchouli. It's got everything thrown in, and it just works out at the end beautiful. Now, this is a marvelous, marvelous fragrance. I mean, the ones or the people out there that smelt it before and owns it knows it's beautiful, and it gives you so much longevity on your skin. And it just smells divine. So these 3 fragrances, ladies and gentlemen, is French Avenue fragrances. It's been out for a while now, but has not earned the recognition that they deserved, because these are beautiful fragrances. These fragrances would last on your skin for so long. I think even if you take a shower after you sprayed this, it will still be on your skin. You will still smell it. But Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. You can buy these fragrances at my friends from Luxurious Perfumes. I'll put all the details and the pricing down for you as well. And try one of these, but try one of these and step out of your comfort zone and buy one of these and test them yourself. I'll be honest with you, the longer you'll smell it, the more you use it, the more you would love it. I can give you my word. So guys, these are just marvelous.